Nothing is working on what could end up being the best budget phone of 2024, and it may only be released in just a couple of months. This is the Nothing Phone 2A, a budget version of the Nothing Phone 2 that came out last year. It's planned to start at $200 less than the Phone 2 at around $400, while still keeping a lot of familiar features. First off, it'll come out with the glyph system that's made the Nothing Phone such a standout device, but compared to the Phone 2, the 2A will supposedly have fewer lights. But it should still have a lot of the same features, like lighting up when the phone rings. Second, it'll come in the same black and white colorways that we got last year. It'd be awesome if we got some kind of surprise color like a bright red to match Nothing's branding, but who knows, maybe next year. And even though the cameras are usually the first place that smartphone companies tend to cut costs, Nothing is actually planning to keep the same 50 megapixel wide lens and 50 megapixel ultra wide from the Nothing Phone 2, but unfortunately Nothing may have to cut costs in other areas to offer that lower price. Specifically, the Nothing Phone 2A will use a lower powered processor compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 that was used on the Nothing Phone 2. Also, that $400 price tag will supposedly get you 256 gigabytes of storage along with 12 gigabytes of RAM. And if you want to upgrade your storage, then there should also be an option for 512 gigabytes. This is planned to release by February 27th, but if it doesn't come out then, it may be released alongside the Nothing Phone 3, which should come out sometime in July. But before that, we should be seeing the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which may come out sometime this month. If you want to learn more about that, then be sure to check out this video next, and I'll see you over there. Adios.